Do you know what is the difference between being anxious and having anxiety? This video will compare anxiousness versus anxiety. Welcome to another episode of Live Without Anxiety, the channel where you can find the best anxiety hacks. In this video, I'm going to explain how anxiety varies from anxiousness. I will mention 5 significant differences. Make sure you watch this video till the end so that you will discover the surprising differences between being anxious and having anxiety. Before we get to compare anxiousness and anxiety, let me brief you on why you need to know this. Being anxious and having anxiety are two completely different things, which often get so confused all the time. It is tricky for many people to differentiate between the two. However, these two do differ in significant ways by which you can easily understand your condition. Beginning with the difference number 5, normal or abnormal. Anxiousness is normal. When you are anxious about something important to you, it is entirely natural. We all feel anxious from time to time. It is the usual body response to stress or any other adverse situation. On the other hand, anxiety is not a normal state of mind. When you have anxiety, you will have a constant rush of intense and excessive worrying emotions. It is something that becomes hard for you to explain to people. Did you find this point relatable? I hope it made things easier for you to understand. Hang on to the end of the video. I will be sharing with you 4 more intriguing differences between anxiousness and anxiety, so sit tight. Moving on to difference number 4, triggering or impulsive thoughts. Anxiousness has a triggering factor. When you are anxious, there is usually the presence of a stressor that makes you nervous. For instance, if you have tension in your mind for any upcoming test in college, this is the test that triggers your anxiousness. In contrast, anxiety is a constant condition. When you have anxiety, you worry about things without any reason. There can be no particular reason for your impulsive thoughts. Alright, the difference number 3. Physical or mental impact. Anxiousness is more of a physical thing. As you are anxious about something, you may experience increased heart rate, raised blood pressure, enhanced respiratory rate, or excessive sweating. By contrast, anxiety causes more mental disturbance. When you have anxiety, you will have persistent uneasiness, nervousness, and other psychological symptoms. However, this is not a gold standard way to differentiate between the two because the signs and symptoms in both conditions may overlap. In either case, you can have dizziness, headache, pounding heart, nausea, or lightheadedness. Next, the difference number 2, temporary or permanent. Anxiousness is a temporary condition. When you are anxious, you will get over with this feeling as soon as the triggering factor vanishes. It usually doesn't cause any long-lasting changes in the way you think, behave, or act. Contrarily, anxiety is ongoing trouble. If you have anxiety, it can be tenacious and won't go away smoothly. It interrupts your day-to-day functioning and interferes with your daily life activities. You may misinterpret others and react in inappropriate behavior. Finally, the big point, let's say the gold standard method to know if you are anxious or have anxiety, the difference number 1, ignoring or struggling. As we discussed that anxiousness is temporary, the good news is that you will be fine even if you choose to ignore this feeling. Whenever you are being anxious and still able to push yourself and manage to do the task that was asked of you, you will overcome your anxiousness. On the flip side, anxiety is a constant battle with your thoughts. If you have anxiety, you can relate to the struggle you have to do every time to rewire your anxious brain. Coping with severe, lingering anxious thoughts is a daily fight. Alright, these were the 5 differences between anxiousness and anxiety. Let's have a quick recap. Number 5. Being anxious is normal for everyone. Having anxiety needs to be treated. Number 4. Anxiousness usually has a triggering factor. Anxiety is impulsive. Number 3. Anxiousness often has physical symptoms, and anxiety requires rewiring the brain. Number 2. Anxiousness is a temporary condition, and anxiety is ongoing. Number 1. Anxiousness vanishes on its own. Anxiety is a constant struggle. Have you ever had difficulty differentiating your anxiousness or anxiety? How did you deal with it? Did this video help you to understand the differences? Let me know your answers in the comments down below. Your positive feedback encourages me to bring the best anxiety hacks for you. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell to receive the latest video updates. Let's begin your self-improvement journey with us. If you found this video helpful to clear your confusion between being anxious and having anxiety, do share it with your friends who might be facing anxiousness or anxiety. Since you like this video, I'm sure you would love to know about the connection between anxiety and autism in adults. The video is right here. Click on it, make sure you check it out, and remember, you can live without anxiety.